Holy shit. Buckle up, guys. Vibe coding just got 10 times more powerful for those of you that are non-technical, don't know how to code, and want to build production level software. Bolt.new, one of my favorite vibe coding platforms, just came out with Claude Code. If you don't know what that is, right now, a lot of people in the community are saying Claude Code is one of the best AI coding agents out there. But in the past, you had to go and use it within a terminal, and you had to download it, and you had to be a lot more technical to be able to use this powerful tool. And it just is a great tool for problem solving when you get stuck in those error loops and that kind of thing. It goes more in depth. And right now, Bolt has come out with version 2 that includes Claude Code, along with a few other cool tools. So stick around. I'm going to show you guys all the new cool stuff with Bolt, and then I'm going to put it to the test and use it with a problem I'm having right now. So let's dive into it. And if you haven't used Bolt before, you can click the link in the description below. I'll include a link to Bolt. Go ahead, create a free account and start messing around with it. I think this is going to be one of the highest paying valuable skills out there, so it's worth learning. I just closed personally a $2,500 deal building a vibe coded tool for a local med spa, and I have a SaaS company I built that already has reoccurring revenue, and I got the receipts for that as well. So vibe coding super valuable. But let's dive into Bolt, and let me show you some cool new stuff that Bolt is offering. I'm going to pull up one of my tools here, one of my projects. Now they move some things around. If you want to expand and preview your project on a full screen on web browser, you click this button now. If you want to see what it looks like on mobile, you click that button now. If you want to do full screen, you can click that button. But let's go back to the project here. Here's some cool new things. Up here, they have a built-in database. So you can actually create a database. Let me pull it up on here. You can see it better. I click database. So before you had to go to Supabase, and you can still do that, and it may make sense for more scalability and that kind of things. But for simple projects, having a built-in database makes things 10,000 times easier, way less headaches, all in one software, so you don't have to connect 15 different softwares to make this work. So you have a built-in database, you have site analytics, and I'm sure these will get more advanced as time goes on, but it shows unique visitors, that kind of thing. Just good information to know. If you are an agency and you're building something for someone, or for your own projects, you want to know who's going to your site. They have internal domain purchasing and domain hosting, which is really cool because you don't have to go to GoDaddy and then connect it. You can just buy and host it immediately right here in Bolt if you want to do that. Authentication. So when people want to sign up, you have to go to Supabase in the past to authenticate that email and that login and get through the paywall and do all that stuff. Now it's got built-in authentication. It's got server functions. You can host your secret keys in here. And then just has additional new features that it all came out with. So really, really powerful. File storage, very cool. It's just a more powerful platform than it was before, and just making it that much easier for us non-techies to build production level software. Exciting times, a lot of money to be made, a lot of cool projects to be built, and I'm here to help you do it. So let's see, what do I mean by the Claude? How can you use Claude in a project? Let me show you. So when you're in the chat box down here, the command center, whatever you want to call it, you can hit switch to Bolt version 2. It will have you create a new chat history, which may lose some context to your project, but it's up to you if you want to do that. I recommend doing that. But if you hit this plus button and click here, there's Claude Agent. So it's a little slower, but the context management's way higher, so it can solve big error loops, big problems. This is the original version 1. If you want to stick with this one for maybe the majority of your project, then swap to Claude Agent. And then Codex, that's coming soon. That's OpenAI's agent. And then I believe Gemini is coming up as well. So we can use multiple powerful LLMs within this platform, which is really, really cool and very, very exciting. Okay, let's put Claude Code to the test. I'm going to take my already built itlworkshop.com platform. This is a toolkit for brand new vibe coders or vibe coders in general. It gives you all the tools you need, as well as an idea prompt generator for your initial prompt. So it's free. If you don't have an account yet, most of my subscribers do. Go ahead and make an account. But I'm gonna see if I can make this a little bit more user-friendly. I made this on Bolt maybe a couple months ago, and I wanted to see if I can just enhance it a little bit. So let's see what this Claude code can do when it comes to design, or maybe we find out it's more for error loops and problem solving and better used for that. So I'm gonna switch to Bolt version 2. And that way it's going to be in Claude agent mode. And now I'm going to give it a prompt here. I'm going to say, please make this dashboard when you log in to this project a lot more user-friendly, a little bit more modern, clean, advanced, but keep the integrity of everything else, like the buttons and the links to where the buttons go and the images and everything else. But just make it a lot more user-friendly, advanced, and get creative with it. All right, so I did talk to text, as you can see down here. Let's hit go, watch the magic happen, sit back and vibe and see what this new Claude code can do here in Bolt. Very, very excited about this. I'll see you in 2 seconds. So it looks like it is actually taking a little bit more time, which I like, and it's going through all the different components, it's reading them, it's analyzing them, and it's just taking its time to dig deeper into the code and just enhance my current project. So let's see what it can do. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this looks very, very clean. A little bit different than before. As you can see, it created a fixed header at the top. Easy login, log out, dark mode, light mode. I can pull up my prompts here. I have little animations with the buttons. That's kind of neat. Very, very cool. Just like, kind of looks like more gradient style buttons with animations. Still keeps the integrity of everything though. I like it. I think it looks a little bit better, a little bit more professional. I'm probably gonna leave this. I can sketch ideas down here. That's cool. That looks a little bit better than before. So I'm gonna keep enhancing this and keep this free for you guys and just make it better and add more tools, more features that I can make and add it all to this. But powerful. It took a little bit longer. Definitely the Claude code took a little bit longer than the typical Bolt LLM that they use, but I'm fine with it. I'll wait a little bit longer if it's going to revamp my whole website with one prompt and make it look a lot cleaner, a lot more professional. So super, super cool. I'll probably make this icon maybe a little larger so it's easier to read, and then maybe add a few more words. But other than that, I'm stoked with the upgrade here. Very, very cool. And that's just the power of Claude code, guys. So if you don't follow me yet, go ahead, subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you thought. I do one-on-one sessions as well. You can book a call with me and I will help you bring your idea to life. That's my passion, so I love doing. I'm already working with people, bringing really cool ideas to life really fast with the power of AI. Appreciate you guys. Keep vibing, and till the next video. Talk soon.